If you follow everything in this video exactly as I show you, you can start losing belly fat in just 7 days from the comfort of your home, even if you are a complete beginner who has never exercised before, even if you feel out of shape right now, and even if you think fitness is too hard or too confusing. You don't need a gym membership, you don't need expensive equipment, and you definitely don't need to starve yourself or follow some extreme diet that makes you miserable. What you need is a simple plan that actually works, a plan that is designed specifically for beginners, and most importantly, a plan that you can stick to consistently. That is exactly what I'm going to give you in this video, step by step, so don't skip ahead, because every part of this system is important, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do starting today. Now let's take a moment to understand why most people struggle to lose belly fat, because once you understand this, everything becomes much easier. The truth is, most people are not failing because they are lazy or because they lack effort. They are failing because they are following the wrong approach. They try random workouts that are either too difficult or not effective. They follow extreme diets that they cannot maintain. They expect fast results and then get discouraged when they don't see immediate changes. And eventually, they quit. This cycle repeats again and again, and it creates the belief that losing belly fat is difficult or impossible. But that is not true. The real problem is the lack of a simple, structured, beginner-friendly plan. And that's exactly what we are fixing today. This challenge is built specifically for beginners, which means you don't need any prior experience, you don't need to be strong, you don't need to be fit, and you don't need to know anything about workouts. All you need to do is follow along and give your best effort. That's it. And before we jump into the daily routine, there is one important concept you need to understand so you don't get confused or frustrated. You cannot lose fat from just one part of your body. That means doing only ABS exercises will not magically remove your belly fat. Your body loses fat overall, and your belly is often one of the last areas to lose fat. However, by combining full-body fat-burning exercises with core strengthening, you can reduce your overall body fat while tightening your stomach muscles, which creates the appearance of a flatter belly much faster. This is exactly how this program is designed. Now let's begin with day 1, and this is the most important day because it is where you break your old pattern and start something new. Your goal today is not perfection. Your goal is simply to begin. Start with jumping jacks for 30 seconds. This may seem like a very basic exercise, but it plays a crucial role in increasing your heart rate and preparing your body for the workout. As you do jumping jacks, focus on your breathing and try to stay consistent. After that, move into high knees for 30 seconds. Lift your knees as high as you comfortably can and keep your core slightly engaged. Don't worry about going fast. What matters is that you keep moving. Then go into mountain climbers for another 30 seconds. This exercise is very effective because it works your entire body while also targeting your core. Once you finish these 3 exercises, take a 30-second rest. Use this time to catch your breath and prepare for the next round. Then, repeat the entire circuit 3 times. After completing all rounds, finish with a plank hold. Hold it for as long as you can. Even if it's just a few seconds, that's completely okay, because you are just starting your journey. Moving on to day 2, your focus is to build on the momentum you created yesterday. You are not starting from zero anymore. Your body has already begun to adapt, and now we're going to push it just a little bit further while still keeping everything beginner-friendly. Start again with jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Then, move into bodyweight squats for 30 seconds. Squats are extremely effective because they work your legs, which are the largest muscle group in your body, and this helps burn more calories overall. As you perform squats, keep your back straight and go down as much as you comfortably can. After squats, do standing side twists for 30 seconds. This exercise helps engage your side abdominal muscles and improves your waistline. Then go into mountain climbers again for 30 seconds. Take a short rest and repeat the entire circuit 3 times. Finish with a plank hold. By now you might start to feel some soreness in your muscles, and that is a good sign because it means your body is responding to the workout. Day 3 is where things start to feel more challenging, and honestly, this is also where many beginners feel like quitting. But this is exactly the point where you need to stay consistent because this is when your body starts to change. Today we introduce bicycle crunches. Start with high knees for 30 seconds to warm up your body. Then lie down and perform bicycle crunches for 30 seconds. Focus on slow and controlled movements instead of rushing through the exercise. This helps activate your core muscles more effectively. After that, do jumping jacks followed by plank shoulder taps. This movement not only strengthens your core but also improves your balance and coordination. Repeat this circuit 3 times. At this stage, you may notice that your endurance is improving, and you are able to complete the exercises with slightly more ease. Day 4 is your fat-burning booster day. This is where we increase the intensity slightly to challenge your body and push it to the next level. Start with burpees for 20 to 30 seconds. If you find burpees too difficult, you can modify them by stepping back instead of jumping. After burpees, go into mountain climbers, then squats, and then a plank hold. This combination keeps your heart rate high while working multiple muscle groups at the same time, which makes it very effective for fat loss. Repeat this circuit 3 times. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Even if you go slower or take short breaks, what matters is that you keep moving and complete the workout. Alright, so, day 5 focuses more on your core while still keeping that fat burning going. You'll want to start with leg raises for about 30 seconds. This move really targets your lower belly area, which, let's be honest, is often one of the toughest spots for fat. After that, go right into bicycle crunches again, then hold a plank and finish it off with some high knees. Make sure to repeat this circuit 3 times. By now, you might start noticing some small changes in your body. Your stomach could feel a bit tighter, your posture might be getting better, and honestly, you may even feel more energetic throughout the day. Alright, so day 6 is your challenge day. This is where, everything comes together, and you push yourself just a little more than before. You'll want to combine all the exercises you've learned so far into one circuit. Start off with jumping jacks, then move on to high knees, mountain climbers, followed by squats, bicycle crunches, and finally, a plank. Try to perform each exercise for 30 seconds, and keep your rest as minimal as possible between them. Repeat the entire circuit 3 to 4 times, depending on how much energy you've got left. This day is definitely intense, but honestly, it's also the most rewarding, because it pushes your body to burn maximum calories and really accelerates your progress. Day 7 is your active recovery day. Now that doesn't mean you do nothing. Instead, go for a light walk, stretch your body, and hold a plank for a bit. Recovery is super important because it lets your muscles repair and grow stronger, which, improves your overall performance and results. Now let's talk about your daily habits, because exercise alone just isn't enough. You don't need a strict diet, but you do need to make smart choices. Try to reduce your sugar intake, drink more water, eat more protein, and make sure you're getting enough sleep. These small habits, honestly, make a huge difference over time. Another really important factor is your mindset. Beginners often quit too early because they expect fast results. You don't need motivation every single day. What you really need is consistency. Even on days when you just don't feel like working out, just start. Because once you begin, it actually becomes easier to keep going. Finally, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that stop people from getting results. The first mistake is inconsistency. The second mistake is expecting instant results. And the third mistake is overeating after workouts. Avoid these mistakes, and you will definitely see progress. If you follow this plan exactly, you'll start seeing changes within 7 days. Your body will feel stronger, your stomach will feel tighter, and your confidence will increase. And honestly, this is just the beginning of your transformation. Now here's your mission. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take action. Comment day 1 below and start today. Save this video so you can follow it every day, and share it with someone who needs this. Remember, beginners get the best results when they stay consistent, and this is your starting point.